Good morning everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to explain how to set up a Nova System device from TC Electronic to get some of the most common effects you will need in a Brian May setup. So we will talk about different types of delays, different types of pitch shift effects, some kind of phaser effects. I will provide a couple of words about the chorus effect, but we will not set up this kind of effect using a Nova System. I will not talk about treble boosters, overdrives, amps, since you can get a lot of information on the internet about that. Especially you can subscribe the Brian May tribute page on YouTube. And also I will not explain how you actually create and save presets on the Nova System devices, since you can get a user manual for free from the TC Electronic website. Okay, so let's start. For each effect, I will also provide some short solo on the guitar, just to give you the idea of what the settings will give you on the device. Also, instead of being distracted by my voice, I will provide slides that describe in details the settings you need, plus pictures of the Nova System and pictures of the settings you need for each effect. Let's go! I would like to spend now a couple of words about the chorus effect, which is very important in a rig to get close to a Brian May stone. Unfortunately, the Nova system is a pretty outdated device, so the settings you can get are not close to what you instead could get using a G Major 2, for example, always from TC Electronic, and that Brian May himself uses on stage. So I don't recommend to use the Nova system to get this kind of chorus. Instead, I recommend if you can't buy or if you cannot use a G Major 2, I recommend you to take a look at some specific pedals, for example, the Corona Chorus from TC Electronic or the Boss CE1, which allow for stereo chorus and that you can configure in a better way to get that kind of effect. Okay, folks, this video has come to an end. I hope you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for next videos and next song covers. Thank you so much.